Hi, I'm Dhruva, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Zapier to connect your Bling text messages to get a direct message in Slack. So first, what you want to do is go to Zapier and click Create New SAP. And since you want your trigger to be when you get a text message from Bling, you click Bling Cloud, and then the event, you click Get Text Messages, and you hit Continue. And it should give you an option here to connect your Bling account. Mine is already connected. And you hit continue. And then it'll give you an option to test your trigger. So I'll hit test. And it found a text message, show it works. Then for your action, you click Slack. And the event you pick is send direct message. And you hit continue. And then it'll give you an option to connect your Slack. So I'll connect my Slack right here and hit continue. And then it should give you a bunch of options. So my username, I'm gonna send it to myself. And my text, I'm gonna say George texted you. And send as a bot, so it'll directly DM you as Zapier. And then you click continue. And then it will ask you to test an action. So what I'm gonna do now is go to my Bling and go to my messages. And here we have a client. And I will wait for him to text back. So he texted back. And you have to go to your Zapier and click test action. And if everything works well, it will say a message was sent to Slack about a minute ago. Then you go to your Slack, and at the bottom near apps, you will see Zapier. You click Zapier, and it will say George texted you, and send you a link to the Zapier automation. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.